Maruti Suzuki, India's largest car manufacturer, has decided to drop their diesel portfolio and go with petrol only cars. Recently, they relaunched their S Cross, which was previously available in diesel only, in a petrol only avatar now, with which they gave the car its much needed automatic transmission. And that's the car we are driving today. Welcome to Drive Mode.
The S-Cross, Maruti Suzuki's flagship premium crossover. Launched in 2015, the S-Cross got its current facelift in 2017. But it's only when Maruti decided to discontinue its diesel models, the S-Cross got its first petrol engine. The S-Cross has an aggressive looking design. The car has been given characteristics of an SUV. But the side profile reveals its crossover DNA. The S-Cross has been given a simple and functional cabin. The interiors are all black, finished in premium quality materials. The car comes with premium leather upholstery. The dashboard is finished in soft touch material. There is leather wrapped steering, push button start, etc. The car has a high resolution touchscreen infotainment system which works with Maruti's SmartPlay Studio user interface. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, reverse camera, etc. among other features. The car also has an analog and digital meter console, automatic climate control, and so on. The rear seats are comfortable and spacious. There is ample headroom, legroom, etc. The seating position is high so that you can see the road from here. This car is really comfortable for long rides, especially at the back seat. The S-Cross offers a spacious boot too. The S-Cross now has a 1.5-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, which comes mated with either a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission. It gives you 105 bhp power and 138 Nm of torque. It also has a mild hybrid system of 48 volt. The mild hybrid system stores the regenerated energy from the brakes to the lithium-ion battery as well as the car's regular battery. It fuels functions of the integrated starter generator for stop-start at traffic signals and torque assist that helps in sharing the engine's load. The car has disc brakes on all 4 wheels with ABS and EBD. Along with these, it has dual airbags and reverse sensors across all variants. The automatic variants have hill hold and electronic stability program. This car doesn't give you any driving pleasure, but the ride is mature, planted and stable. There's a feel of security and comfort while at high speeds. That is mainly because this car was designed originally for the European markets where high speeds are a common thing. Maruti Suzuki S-Cross is a car that's equally good for the city as well as the highways. It is a smooth, comfortable and spacious car combined with the reliability of the Maruti brand. Maruti has taken a bold decision to discontinue its diesel models. It has also started a campaign to promote petrol cars instead of diesels. Kudos to Maruti Suzuki for its efforts to minimize the carbon footprint that is affecting the global environment.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.